IMNN stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is Imunon stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. It's 22% down, but the price beforehand was just melting. Like, I am the only guy doing 43,000 videos documenting everything. Again, not even willing to over-exaggerate, it's just the truth. And with this in particular, it will have to do some like decent breaks up for me to be bullish. Like, let's be honest. Because I don't think this is... I mean, it could have, you know, now let's not assume. But for me, man, to really be bullish, I would appreciate to see a break above 84, 85 cents. And if I do not get that, I have nothing to do with this bullishness and whatever. You know what I mean? So that's how IMNN is looking like. This is obviously not financial advice. I'm not sure if I have receipts in the Discord, which yeah, I do too. That's sick. And if you want to stay tuned with IMNN and you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description and I will see you in the next one. So goodbye and enjoy.